Hi there. Alright, we just pulled up at the place at what we call the farm where we camp at. It's about a 45-minute hike to where the camp. I'll take some pictures. I'm going to spend the next couple of days there. It'll be a good time. Brought fishing poles, everything else. I'll hop out of the truck and show you what I brought with me. Now I got to carry all this, but so now I've got to spend the next, probably do 2 trips trying to get all of this and this to the campsite. There's my backpack. I got food packed for Nash, got some stuff packed for me. I brought a steak. I did bring some, Cheetos. Cheetos, that's not real food. I did bring plenty of water. I've got bait to fish with, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything loaded up and try to start hiking in. I think I'm gonna have to do 2 trips, which is gonna suck because the last one's probably gonna be in the dark. And I don't have the trail marked. Alright, see y'all later. Alright, well you can see it's evening. It's a little windy. I'm cooking some dinner. I got some chicken flavored rice. She's a little hot in there. She's a little hot. I did have what's called a mohara and some octopus I was going to cook. But we've had 2 wild dogs that came into camp earlier and got into my stuff. Got into my fish, got into my octopus, so I don't have any more bait to fish with. Beautiful night. See all the stars. Beautiful moon. Good morning. Still out here camping. Beautiful morning. Got a little fire started. Trying to make some breakfast here in a little bit. I'll show you around real quick. Let you see the ocean. It's quite impressive, to say the least. I have to admit, I'm a very lucky person. Elena is beautiful. She loves me. She makes a lot of things possible for me that otherwise would not be able to happen. Whenever we first moved to Colombia, she said, James, sometimes you do stupid things. You still think you're young. Some of the things you do are dangerous. So while we're living in Colombia, you have to have a personal assistant. I'm like, okay, whatever. I was thinking maybe somebody, go with me to, help me learn Spanish, everything else. But you guys have seen in my videos Alex. And Alex is one of those people that you can tell him to find you something. Just don't ask any questions and he will find it for you. So, the place that he found me to camp is near Punta Canoa, Colombia, outside of Cartagena. It's 30 acres, and it is, as you can tell by the sound, right on the ocean. This is what it looks like today. We've been doing some cleaning here. Whenever I first came to talk to the guy, I said, yeah, I need it cleaned up a little bit. They were cleaning it, him and his 2 young sons. They started a fire. and we're burning some of the brush that was being collected, and it kind of got out of hand. I'll show you some more pictures here in a minute. But the place is cleaned up. I have a place to put tents. I have a place to build a fire, and everything is gonna go good. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Now, before the fire, we could not even walk through here at all. Like, wasn't happening. Even Nash was having a hard time getting through. This is the access down to the beach. I'm gonna hop off here. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later.